Is she funny? What are you doing, Chelsea?
I'm right here. A baby duck.
You're in Tyler's chair?
Yeah.
Tyler thinks you're funny. Can you make him laugh? No? Can you make Tyler laugh for Mama? Tyler loves you, Chelsea. All right, Chelsea, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you make Tyler laugh one more time? Good job. Oh, Chelsea, gentle.